Okay, so I've gone through and done some optimization and cleanup on the UI. Still need to style everything so it all looks the same. But now when we mine the asteroid, the inventory fills up. You can see we've now got 2 units total of 10, and that now increases as you would expect. If we go into the code, the main part of the optimization is I'm creating a pool of row objects available and then hiding the rows. And for now, I'm just using 5. There is only ore at the moment as an item. In fact, I don't even have any sort of item data. At some point, that should probably come from like a database or something, or a config file. But for now, we're just creating 5 empty rows that we're going to use. Create row actually instantiates the game object, and these never get destroyed until the entire UI is destroyed on shutdown. On inventory change handler, we're now updating the progress bar, which sets the value min and the value and the max for the scroll bar, and this is just a little control class I've added that allows you to treat a scroll bar as like a progress bar basically. Hide rows and then update rows. So hide rows, it goes through and sets all of the row objects inactive, and then in update rows, we're going through, we're getting the I've actually just realised I made a mistake here. I need to increment I at the end of this. So what we're doing, I is 0. If I is greater than the number of rows we have, we need to create a new row. So this is if you've added a 6th individual item, like unique item to the inventory. And then what we're doing is we're grabbing the first row, we're then setting its key and value, and we're setting it active. So then whenever the inventory values change, it will hide all the rows and then re-show only the rows it requires to display the values. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're not destroying and recreating game objects every time the inventory changes now, which is a nice optimization. So we've got a pool of UI objects in there, and yeah, the only other difference or only other major change I've made is I've actually grabbed like the scroll view and created it as a prefab, and the progress bar as a prefab. And the reason for this is I want to style them all the same way, so whenever I have a scroll view, I'll use this scroll view prefab rather than the built-in Unity one, and that way I can change styling, color schemes and whatever on this prefab and change it everywhere in the UI rather than having to go through and individually style every single thing. Cool, okay, so that's just a very quick update episode. Just going to throw that up there. Cool, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.